In this video, I'll be walking you through how to make your YouTube channel auto-subscribe link. First, using YouTube mobile app with your phone, then on desktop computer. You need to make auto-subscribe link because it's going to increase your subscriber rate. Why? It eliminates a lot of frictions for your audience. When they click on that link, it gets them to subscribe automatically, which in return is going to boost your growth in a more efficient way. For you to make your auto subscribe link using your YouTube app with your phone, you tap on your app, you log into your app. As soon as you log in, you tap your YouTube profile picture, you tap it, you come to your profile name, you tap your profile name, then you come to this place, you tap this pencil, then you come to your channel URL, you copy it. With this channel URL copied, you can use notepad to paste your channel URL. Suppose this is your channel URL, you will add this to your channel URL at the end, just like this. So this link you are seeing will help people subscribe to your channel automatically. All you need to do is to serve your audience this link and they'll be able to automatically subscribe to your YouTube channel. For you to create and make your auto subscribe link using desktop computer, you go to your youtube.com, sign up, you come to your profile picture, you click it, you click your YouTube studio, you scroll down, you click customization, you scroll down, you are looking for channel URL, you can see channel URL. This is your channel URL. All you need to do is to copy it, and as soon as you copy it, you use any notepad, you paste it, then this question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1, you copy it and you paste it in front of your channel URL. So this link makes up your complete auto subscribe link that will help your audience to subscribe to your channel automatically. All you need to do is to copy it and share it to your audience to subscribe to your channel. For instance, if you paste it like this and you press enter, you can see confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to JOFA? Subscribe. So it makes life easy for your audience to subscribe to your channel very fast. You can now put in place your YouTube channel auto subscribe link, and you can make it even better by creating a short link either with your website or you use any viable short link platform. It is very important you short that long link using any of the trusted short link websites. One of my top recommendations is the Pretty Links, especially if you have your own website. You can check the link below the description of this video on how to get your website very cheap. And there are a lot of useful resources, including my trainings and different ways I can be of help to you below the description of this video. Those links will navigate you to my website. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, that will help you to know whenever I publish my videos every week. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.